Saw that the government and non-governmental agencies, they are providing awareness based on different aspects of the reproductively healthy society. Now, what are the things in which the people, common people, should be educated about reproductive health? So, educating peoples, that is especially the fertile couples means couples who are married and they have to make a family. Okay, so in case of the married couples and in the marriageable age groups, it means that people who are in the marriageable age group, so these people specially, they should know about the available birth control options. Okay, so how the birth control can be done. So it should be information or education about the birth control has to be given. So especially these people also should know about it. Okay, so this awareness is given to all the adults, but specifically these fertile couples and people who are there in the marriageable age should be educated about the available birth control options, then how to care a pregnant mother, then they should be educated about postnatal care of the mother and child. What is this postnatal care of mother? It means that after delivery, the care which has to be given to the mother and also the child. Okay, and not only that, they should be given education about the importance of breastfeeding, then a main thing, that is equal opportunities for both male and the female child. So based on all these aspects, people has to be educated. So government and non-governmental agencies they are creating awareness, and they are creating awareness on different things. So things like the birth control, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and the female child. So about all these, people should be educated. Okay, and this would address the importance of bringing up socially conscious, healthy family of desired size. So if proper awareness is given to people about all these, we would create a society which is very conscious about the family of a desired size, that too healthy family of a desired size. Okay, so it is not just one single person develops in the society. Socially, all have to develop together. Okay, only then there can be proper reproductive health in a society. Okay, if just one or two person is caring about the reproductive health, and if others they don't bother, means it affects the social reproductive health. Okay, so all the importance of all these things has to be brought before the people. Okay, so we have to educate the uneducated people about all these. Okay, and along with this awareness, they also should be provided with awareness of problems due to population explosion. Okay, they should be explained of how the uncontrolled population growth has led to population explosion. So what is the main disadvantage of this population explosion? The main thing is every person will not get enough amount of food, place or shelter or water or everything. All the natural resources cannot reach every person if the population is growing tremendously. So awareness of problems due to uncontrolled population growth, that is population explosion, should be explained to the people. And then the social evils like sex abuse and sex-related crimes, etc. need to be created to enable people to think of it. Okay, awareness it should be about population explosion and also against the social evils like sex abuse and sex-related crimes. So, people or the people in a society should understand how the social evils like the sex abuse and sex-related crimes need to be prevented. Okay, so we have to create an awareness which is need to be created to enable people to think of it and to take necessary steps to prevent them. Okay, so if a child is sexually abused, it is responsibility of a person who knows about it to stand against that. So people should be given awareness about those things also. So they should have guts to prevent this sexual abuses. Okay, we are hearing lot of stories about the sexual abuse and sex related crimes. Okay, so it is the duty of every individual person in the society to think of it and take necessary steps to prevent them. And thereby, if we do that, thereby we can build up a socially responsible and healthy society. Okay, so for that what has to be done? People should speak with a person who is very who to whom they can convey everything. Okay, appa sexually related crimes cheyunna aalkara, they should be counseled. So like that lot of things has to be done, and only this can be done only when the society has decided to stop such actions. Okay, and how will the society stop these actions? When we provide them proper awareness, they will surely stand against these crimes and sex abuse. So they will at least speak to the person who is sexually abused or who are who involved in the sexually related crimes. Okay, so everyone should take responsible for a proper reproductive health. Okay, socially we should be very cautious. That is why awareness has to be spread to every person in a particular place. Okay, so this is how awareness is spread, and these are the different things on which the government is providing awareness. Okay, now let us move on to the next important part, which is the sex education in schools. So until now we saw how adults are educated in different ways. Okay, here we didn't speak about children, right? Now let us learn about the aims and needs of sex education in schools. What is the need of sex education? What does the sex education aim at in the case of the school? That is students or children. Okay, now if you see that, so introduction of the sex education in school should be encouraged. Okay, so this is a major way through which a larger population can be educated about the reproductive health. So for that, school education should provide a proper introduction of this sex education. Okay, so introduction of the sex education in schools should be encouraged. Okay, only when we do that, a larger population of our country will know about the different aspects of the sex related things. Okay, so that is why sex education is included in the chapters.